Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte with HEB, and today I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned sweet potato casserole. So to get started with this dish, it is 58 ounces of canned sweet potatoes in light syrup. I went ahead and drained out that syrup. To this, we are going to add our maple syrup, about a quarter cup of maple syrup. We're going to add a quarter cup of brown sugar. We're going to add in, and then we're going to just mash this up together, just like this. And I'm using a whisk. The potatoes are really very tender. And I'm sure you could do this with fresh sweet potatoes. All we would do is just roast those sweet potatoes or boil them. Oh man, it smells so good already. And you just want to kind of mash them together until only small chunks remain. There we go. Okay. Uh-oh, I got one stuck. All right, now we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients. So we're going to add a little of chopped pecans for some texture. We are going to add a quarter cup of heavy cream. Our spices are 2 tablespoons salt, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then black pepper. I added a little bit more black pepper because I'm a black pepper fan. 2 eggs, which is going to sort of hold this casserole together, very similar to the way eggs would hold like a pumpkin pie together. We're going to do melted butter, and I'm using salted butter. I always use salted butter. And then we are going to do a little bit of vanilla. And I'm using a vanilla bean paste. We're going to do about half a teaspoon. Any sort of vanilla bean extract or vanilla extract would work. Whatever you're most familiar with or your favorite. You could even use like fresh vanilla bean. But I like to see like the beautiful specks, like the little like flecks of vanilla in there. We're gonna mix this all up. Get those eggs in there. And this is topped with our marshmallows. So I have the extra large jumbo marshmallows. We're gonna let this bake for a minute and then put those on top. I'm kind of excited. So we're gonna transfer this into a baking dish. And we're gonna do about 350 for about 40 minutes. Transfer this over. Make sure we get all of it in there. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a smooth this guy out. Ooh la la. All right, so to the oven with this guy, 350. Right down here, 40 minutes or so. After 40 minutes, we're going to take that guy out. We're going to top it with our marshmallows, throw it back in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes till those marshmallows puff up really nice and big. So I suggest like, you could probably bake this ahead of time. And you know, if you needed oven space for all the other things during the holidays. But right before you're ready to serve it, just warm it up a little bit and then throw those marshmallows on there so that it's hot and melty for right when you're ready to eat. So our sweet potato casserole is completely cooked. It's like puffed up just a little bit. It got some nice caramelization on the top. We're gonna finish it off with our giant marshmallows. You can smell the pecans, that maple syrup. All right, so couple of ways you can do this. You can most certainly put the mini marshmallows on top, but I am going to use these big giant guys and I'm just gonna put them on like this. I think we should lay them down like this. What do y'all think? Go like this. Doop. And they're gonna puff up super giant. Make a little pattern, a little design. Oh my God, this smells like the holidays. Get in there. Should we use all the marshmallows? I don't see any point in saving any of these. The more the merrier. Let's find room for them. Oh, they all fit. There's room for everybody at the party. Let's see, you can go right there. Perfect. That row has all the marshmallows. Now we're gonna, they're already, you can see they're already starting to melt. We're gonna return this back to the oven. Again, 5 to 6 minutes until they're beautifully puffed and lightly golden. Marshmallows are just browned on top. We're having some, they're definitely puffed, all right? So I'm gonna get this guy out of the oven. You wanna let this rest for about 10 minutes. Stand by. Oh my gosh, I'm going in here. Maybe put it on a sheet pan. Ta-da! Maybe put it on a sheet pan after you put those marshmallows. So to prevent any overflow, you'd hate to get that marshmallow on the bottom of your oven. This looks amazing. We want to let this rest. Woo! Look at that. Also, pro tip, you might want to grease your pan because burned on marshmallow is not fun to clean. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday cooking tips.